great intro into kind of the next section that I wanted to talk about, and that being kind of our future capabilities. So despite RE squared really being on, frankly, the bleeding edge of robotic technology, I find that a lot of our customers and clients are always asking around, like, what's next? What does the future hold? So what do you, maybe for those that are interested, what do you see as some of the future capabilities within RE squared to continue and enable our future growth?
So, the strength of a company is its people. So first off, we're going to enable that growth. First, we have to continue to add to our incredibly talented team of mechanical, electrical, and software staff. In particular, I see an increase coming in regards to computer vision and AI talent. And that's going to be in order to create these supervised autonomous systems and moving towards fully autonomous systems. We're going to need those people. And in those areas, you're going to start seeing new vertical markets adopting robotic capability in an outdoor environment. Anything where you see a human, where there's perhaps a labor shortage, or you need to augment labor, or it's a dangerous job where you need to remote a person. These are the areas where we're going to be moving into. And in order to do that, it comes back to staffing up with the right people. We're going to be continuing to ramp up our in-house manufacturing capability, including creating an agile manufacturing. And then we need to, continue to build out our testing facilities, especially outdoors and with underwater test tanks to validate our autonomy algorithms. But what we're going to see is, we are, like I mentioned before, we're seeing truly human-like capability on the physical side. Perhaps a couple of areas to improve, like I mentioned, tactile, haptic feedback. But otherwise, most of the advancement is going to come in terms of the autonomy and AI and making these arms reason and act just like humans.
That's great. And maybe jumping topics once more, talking a little bit about the future of robotics amidst current events. So we're obviously both recording this at home due to the pandemic, due to the COVID-19 guidance for us all to be working remote. So what do you think the future holds for robotics, considering the impact that COVID-19 has had on the US or the world at large?
Yeah, I think this pandemic has opened our eyes that we actually need to accelerate the development of robotic technologies to help people continue to do their jobs while remaining safe. Even the use of teleoperated robots like our HDMS, highly dexterous manipulation system, can enable entire industries to continue to operate in the near future. So I think that this pandemic is going to be a catalyst of development, of rapid development of robotic technology, so that if something like this occurs down the road again, we're prepared for it, and we're prepared with technology. Where I think there was apprehension by our society about robots, but I think that this pandemic is going to make people realize that no, robots are really a tool that we need to use to help us, especially in times like this.
Yeah, so maybe the robots aren't coming to take our jobs, they're coming to save us.
That's exactly right.
Cool. So we covered a lot of topics today. What was there anything else that you wanted to cover in this discussion today?
No, so despite the current situation with the pandemic, we're still growing. We're still hiring. So if anyone out there is listening to this that wants to enter a career of robotics, if they're not in it or are currently in that role and want to be part of generating the next generation of human-like robotics, I encourage you to go to our website and apply to our multiple openings that we have there.
That's a great point, and I think on that point we're probably due to wrap up today. So thanks again, Jorgen, for spending some time talking to me, and we'll talk again soon.
All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for having me. Take care.
All right. Take care.
Since 2001, RE Squared Robotics has remained committed to our mission to develop innovative technologies that make a positive impact on the world. RE Squared is a leader in the design, development, and manufacture of human-like robotic technology, solving the most challenging applications in the world. If you would like to be contacted about a robotics application, please email us at myrobots@resquared.com. That's myrobots@resquared.com. To stay up to date with the latest RE Squared news, visit our website at www.resquared.com, or you can always follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or videos featuring actual RE Squared robots, please subscribe to this channel on YouTube.